Good morning. I'm going to show how to rekey a quickset lock. Anyway, I already did the deadbolt. Now I'm doing the handle. So I take these two quickset tools like this. About 8 years, 8 years at least since I've done one of these. Hold the paddle back here. The other one. Put it down the straw. Make a little pull. Add some 8 pliers. There we go. Be easier. There we go. Now I gotta pop the cap with the cylinder, and that's what this special tool in this end's for. Kind of like a fork. Anyway, put it down the slot. And if you notice, it doesn't quite fit because it's spring loaded. So what you do is put it at an angle. Once you get it in, what you need to do is put counter pressure right here. So the best way of doing it is put it down like this. Push forward. There we go. Voila. So note the position it went in, because I can turn the cylinder one way or the other, so the key can be up or down. I'll show you later. Anyway, there's the cylinder. So when you have the original key, it's much easier because I can actually put it in, rotate it, and be careful because if you slide it out, you pull all the pins and cylinder out. So what you want to do is you put it at about a quarter turn like this. See the pins and springs right here? And right in the back here, you take the spool and be real careful that you line up the back, but also that the pins will slide across the shaft. So, like that. So that's what we're going to be doing. So let me pull the little pin off the C-clip, and actually I don't have a little screwdriver, but I can use the end of this right here. My finger. Screwdriver, little file. There we go. Something sharp getting in there to get the C-clip off. There we go. Looks like a horseshoe shape clip. Be careful you don't lose the cylinder. Put the key back in. Do the quarter turn. Pulling the cylinder up. And carefully slide it like this. Voila. if you look, the old pins fall out. The old key. We don't need that. Put to the side. The new key, we already did the lock. I'm sorry, the key code. And we want to make sure that all the pins line up with the top here, nice and smooth. Make sure you're using the correct pins too. Different brands won't work properly sometimes. So, we have a 2, and a 5. See how that lines up nice and smooth. Still 3 more to fill. Number 2. I think I have some old ones I can use. Yeah, scored. And a 5. Make sure they're quickset, the same brand. Little taper. It's different brand. Getting a little on this. Reorder like an Amazon packages. Pretty inexpensive relative to how many pins you get. And the last one, I'm not going to say because I don't want people to know the lock code here. And some companies actually make colors to it, so it's color coded. Kind of cool. So there we go. So all the pins line up nice and smooth. And a little taper on the side of the pins, real important. Quick set. Take here with the cylinder. Notice the springs and the back pins are still inside, and we're going to slide these across to exchange the cylinder for the new pins. Voila, key turns, but be careful not to pull the cylinder out. You need to put that horse clip, C-clip back on. Turn the key and you can pull the whole cylinder out. All your work is done waste. Push it back. If you need to, if the C-clip doesn't fill real fast, replace them. I got plenty of those. Test the smoothness of the key. Oh, let's see one. There you go. Wow. Voila. Smooth. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll show you how you put it back. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna line it up to the door. Let's see. Make sure the keys are upright. So this goes on like that. The half moon to there. Right? And you want the keys to face the same as this. Like that. Take this back with us. There we go. And this is real technical. This pops in like that. And then this is very important. Otherwise the side doesn't work. This goes right back. Same hole at an angle. You take this tool, has this just made for this where it fits, and you feel it just lock in place. Cool. And take our key again, test it out. Super smooth. There we go. Thank you for watching.